Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point program. The topic of discussion is QR code use on streets. First of all, let's see why this topic is in the news. Recently, the central government has directed the states to put QR codes on the maintenance information display boards of rural roads built under the Mantri Yojana or the PMGSY. The objective of this initiative is to get direct feedback from common citizens on the quality and maintenance of roads and to increase transparency. Earlier, there was no specific mechanism for citizens' feedback that prevented substandard construction or maintenance problems. Now let's discuss about government's new scheme, QR codes on streets. The National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency, NRIDA, has directed all states to put QR codes on maintenance information boards on every road constructed under PMGSY. At the same time, through QR code, citizens will be able to give feedback on road conditions, maintenance, quality, etc. from mobile phones. Explain that this feedback will be recorded directly on the eMark portal, which will increase the participation of citizens in monitoring and evaluation. Significantly, this will ensure transparency, accountability, and quality control in the maintenance of roads. At the same time, the feedback given by the citizens will be analyzed with the help of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Now let's discuss about how will the new system work. A unique QR code will be generated for each road, which will be placed on the information display board. Citizens can view road information by scanning the QR code from mobile and uploading complaints, or photos related to maintenance or quality. The feedback given by the citizens will be collected in the eMark system, which will be overseen by the concerned officials and engineers. This arrangement will be helpful in monitoring the quality of maintenance carried out by the contractor for 5 years. This facility has already been implemented as a pilot project in some states, including Himachal Pradesh. Now let's lastly discuss about Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana. It was launched on December 25, 2000, with the objective of providing all-weather road connectivity to unconnected habitations in rural areas. Under this scheme, habitations with a population of 500 plus in plain areas and 250 plus, as per 2001 census, population in northeastern, Himalaya, desert and tribal areas are given priority. In the northeastern and Himalaya states, 90% of the project cost is borne by the central government, while in other states, 60% is borne by the central government and 40% by the state government. The first phase, 2000, was 100% centrally sponsored with a target to connect 1,35,436 habitations and 3,68,000 kilometers road upgradation. The second phase, 2013, focused on upgradation of 50,000 kilometers of existing rural roads, shared by the centre and the state. In the third phase, 2019, priority was given to better road connectivity to Grameen agricultural markets, GRAMs, higher secondary schools and hospitals, with a target of consolidation of 1,25,000 kilometers of roads. Now is the time for practice question. Which system is used to monitor and manage rural road maintenance under PMGSY? A. eMark electronic maintenance system. B. GPS-based surveillance system. C. Mobile road management system. D. Online road safety monitoring system. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.